My name's Andy, I'm the co-founder of Headspace, and my hope is that I can offer you some tools and some services today that can help to improve your physical, emotional and mental well-being at a time when all of us are struggling. We're obviously getting a lot of advice right now from doctors, from healthcare professionals, telling us what we should do with our bodies, and rightly so, to social distance, to wash our hands, to stay at home, anything we can do to help reduce the spread. But what do we do with our mind? What do we do when we struggle to sleep, when we feel overwhelmed with anxiety or with stress? What do we do when we're put either in such close proximity with those that we love, we start to feel perhaps a sense of frustration or irritability? Or we're separated so far from those that we love that we start to feel lonely. How can we start to feel a greater sense of compassion, empathy and kindness in our life? So the governor and his team reached out to us last week. They know how much science has gone into Headspace, into mindfulness over the last 10 years. And we know with confidence that mindfulness can make a really big difference in our lives. The essence of mindfulness is that it can't change every little thing that's going on around us, but it can change our relationship with it. It can change our perspective of it. And that is more valuable than ever right now. Most of us feel so out of control, and we need some kind of way to relate to that feeling so that we can still be effective, so that we can still have peace of mind, so that we can still show up for the people around us, the people we care about, the people we love, the people in our communities. So again, my hope is that these tools, these services are going to be something that you can use not just now during this crisis, but long beyond. That you can use them as a tool to build up a sense of resilience, where you're able to step out of a busy mind, where you're no longer overwhelmed by emotion, and where you can show up for yourself and those around you as you would like to on a daily basis.